Hey everyone, the day has finally arrived. It is the weekend and I am doing my Mother's Day drawing today. I've already got all the names of the people that have commented on all my videos since I posted that we were going to do this, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, whatever, and I got a nice little stack in here. I'm going to drop one. But I put them on some paper, I folded them up, and I'm going to draw one lucky winner, and that's going to be, you're going to win an Amazon giveaway from me, your girl, yours truly, for Mother's Day. It's just a little bit of me thanking you for supporting my channel and for all the wonderful comments and subscribing and just you know, being a big part of my life practically now. So I've got dinner on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this started so we can get going, and good luck everybody. Let's shake them up. This is my fancy little thing that my sister got for me one year for Christmas. I love it. It's on my mantle and I thought it'd be perfect for this. So shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Do you want to draw a name? You don't have to be on the camera. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Can't even see me. All right, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. That was my microwave. All right, I'm gonna close my eyes. Good luck, good luck, good luck. All right, now, one name. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Of course, it's gonna be one that I can't pronounce. UK, what? How do you say this? It's K-A. It's K-A-I-J-U-K. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's on a little bitty piece of paper because I had so many of them that I had to, look at that. If this is you, you are the winner of my Mother's Day giveaway, so congratulations. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do one more drawing because I'm feeling generous today. This one is for the Amazon giveaway, and the next drawing that I'm going to do is for my signature blend seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and draw another name for that. So won't that be exciting? And again, this one's for the signature blend seasoning. I gotta hurry, my dinner's on. And who is this? I gotta get my glasses back on. Hawaiian Kenson. Yeah, she comments on every one of my videos. If you can read my handwriting, you are gonna get my signature blend seasoning, a free bottle of my signature blend seasoning. So congratulations to both of you. I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name. It's K-A-I-J-U-K. You're the winner of my Amazon giveaway. Can you see it? Focus. And then Hawaiian, I know who you are because you comment on everything. I'm going to send you a free container of my signature blend seasoning. So what I need you to do is go to my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. Don't go to the one that's the cooking channel. But go to my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy, or you can email me. You can email me at Sandy, inthekitchenwithsandy@gmail.com, and I need your address, and so I can get this sent to you. Again, congratulations to both of you for my Amazon winner and my In the Kitchen with Sandy signature blend seasoning winner. And you know I love you guys so very much. Congratulations. We're going to be doing more giveaways real soon. So I appreciate you guys so much. I love you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.